What people say about you, your website matters just as much as what you say on it. Whether it's a Google review, a tweet, or a testimonial on another blog, Google sees these as signals. Signals that help confirm whether you're trustworthy, credible, and worth ranking. In this lecture, we will cover how to manage and leverage reviews and reputation to boost your EEAT. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to understand how online reputation affects SEO and trust, collect and showcase testimonials and reviews, handle negative feedback without hurting your brand, why reputation is a trust signal. Google wants to show content from people and brands that others trust. So when your name pops up on trusted review platforms, news sites, podcasts, or even social media, it sends the right signals. Just like in real life, reputation follows you. If someone searches your name or brand and finds helpful, positive mentions, it builds authority. If they find spammy backlinks or complaints, it does the opposite. How to get strong testimonials. Start by asking people who already trust you, clients, collaborators, and even course participants. Keep it simple and specific. Ask them what problem you helped solve. Encourage them to share a real result or experience. Request permission to include their full name and role, if possible. Example: I was struggling with content strategy, and Sarah's coaching helped me 3x my traffic in 60 days. Her process is simple, actionable, and actually works. Mary Jane, Content Manager. Place these on your homepage, service page, or a dedicated testimonials page. Review platforms that matter. If you run a business or personal brand, make sure you're listed on platforms like Google Business for local businesses, Trustpilot Clutch for agencies, LinkedIn for freelancers, industry-specific forums or marketplaces. Make it easy for happy clients to leave reviews. Send a quick link with a thank you message. Even a few high-quality reviews can help you stand out. How Google picks up these signals. Google doesn't just read your site, it reads the web. It looks for mentions of your name or brand on other trusted websites, consistent info, name, email, services, across platforms, positive reviews that match what you claim on your site. This consistency builds trust. It shows you're real and that others see value in what you do. Handling negative feedback smartly. Don't panic over a bad review. It is natural. What matters is how you respond. Respond politely and professionally. Acknowledge their experience. Offer to resolve the issue, when possible. This shows future customers in Google that you care and you're not hiding. Avoid fake reviews or deleting all criticism. It backfires. Real example, breakdown. Let's say you're a freelance designer. 2 things will boost your online reputation. A testimonial on your portfolio site. Ahmed helped us redesign our brand from scratch. Clients constantly compliment the new look. A review on LinkedIn or Google. Fast, reliable, and great eye for detail. Highly recommend. Even if someone finds you through a Google search, they'll feel more confident seeing those reviews in both places. Reputation is a ranking factor. Collecting real testimonials, building consistent profiles across platforms, and managing reviews transparently helps you create a strong foundation of trust. And that trust pays off in higher rankings, more clicks, and better conversions.